ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय शङ्कराय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
Bharatanatyam is the greatest among the fine arts. Actually, it was created by Lord Shiva in the Rig Veda, the very first literature in the world. Shiva is described as Tandaveshwara, a lord of dance. And then others started to practice like Parvati, Brahma and such others. It was actually meant for temple rituals. Bharatanatyam was done as a ritual service in the temples throughout Tamil Nadu.
சரபோஜி மகாராஜா காலத்தில் இந்த குடும்பத்தை ரொம்ப நல்ல முறையில் சமஸ்தான வித்வானை ஆக்கி அவங்களுக்கு ஆதரவு கொடுத்ததுனால இந்த குடும்பம் நல்ல ஒரு பரம்பரை, அதனுடைய ரொம்ப பரிசுத்தமான ஒரு வழியில் நாட்டியத்தை அவங்க கையாள முடிஞ்சது.
You know, it's a Chola Desam. So the Cholas were at the zenith. They patronized art and culture.
நம்ம தஞ்சாவூர் பரம்பரை பற்றி பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கும்போது அதுக்கு எத்தனை வருஷமாக எவ்வளவு நூற்றாண்டு காலமாக இருந்தது அப்படின்னு கணிக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஏன்னா எங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச வகையிலேயே கிட்டத்தட்ட 300லேருந்து 400 வருஷமாக அந்த தஞ்சாவூர் பரம்பரை.
When come to the culture part of the temple, it was the Natonas who carried it further.
The moment I talk about beloved Master Ji, the first thing that comes to my mind is perfection. From a very young age, this was something that was constantly dinned into our heads, and for him, Aramandi, Angasuddam, those were very, very important.
As an artist, big artist, deep artist, who is thinking about the dance, the beauty of the dance, the movements, fingers, expressions, and I have seen him to work together, and we feel so much love about him, and he loved me so much. And so many dancers have learned from him.
Kalyan Sundaram ji was always, Master was so kind to come beyond his own disciple and teach us, teach me, share his views with Maharaj ji. And they are like, yes, really two parts of one seed, as if, because their thought process, they are working meticulously towards making good disciples. I mean, all of them is so similar. They are not interested in only their own prominence, but their mission is to give good students to society, dedicated people.
प्रातस्मरणीय गुरु कल्याण सुंदरम जी के बारे में कुछ कहना है। उनका 80वां बर्थ डेट है, उनका 88th बर्थ डेट। ये 88 कुछ एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है कि जिसको माइलस्टोन कहिए, वो माइलस्टोन कहलाता है जो आदमी अपने जीवन की अच्छी ज़िंदगी गुजार के कईयों को कुछ देता है अपने में से, जो भी, अगर कलाकार है तो कला देता है, अगर धनवान है तो धन दो, और अगर किसी को सर्विसें दे सकता है तो नौकरियां दो। ऐसा जिसने कुछ, जैसा इनका नाम है, यथा नाम तथा गुणा कल्याण सुंदरम, इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे बच्चों को तालीम दी है, उनको अच्छी जगह पे पहुंचाया है। उनके शिष्य लोग बहुत अच्छे अच्छे डांसर हैं। मुझे भी उनको एक साथ उनके थोड़ा सा एक डांस में काम करने का मौका मिला था। मुझे कंपोजिशन के लिए कहा गया कि महापट्टाभिषेकम रामचंद्र जी के इसमें कहा गया कि कुछ करिए, तो हमने भी किया था। हमारी भांजी अमला कृष्णा ने उसमें मेन रोल उसी का था, मतलब सिंगल डांस था। प्रभु काम हित निर्वाण प्रदय समान को, जाकी कृपा लवलेश दे मदिबद तुलसीदास हूँ, जाकी कृपा लवलेश दे मदिबद तुलसीदास हूँ। पायो परम विश्राम राम समान प्रभु नाही कहूँ, राम समान प्रभु नाही कहूँ, राम समान प्रभु नाही कहूँ। जय जय राम राम राम, 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 जय जय राम।
I can't even imagine that so many years have passed through, and the legacy of the Tiruvallur school in Bombay has made it so high in the field of Bharatanatyam that anywhere in the world we go, there are students, highly talented dancers who have come out of the institution.
Once when I met one of my friends, he spoke about the wonderful way in which the Bharatanatyam is being taught at Bombay for more than 6 decades. Nowadays the Bharatanatyam has taken a slightly different shape and deviated from tradition, if I can say so. But Rajarashwari Bharatanatyam Mandali has not changed its tradition. Even today, the students who get education there stick to the tradition of Bharatanatyam.
His name says it's auspiciously beautiful. When he speaks to you, when he is taking class, when he conducts a performance, when he is traveling, when he is with his students, I think he conveys to them the beauty of the art, the beauty around, and also he makes them all feel responsible for taking this tradition of the Tiruvallur school to great heights.
Sitara Didi and Damayanti ji, so many dancers in Bombay. They have Rajeshwari, the school name, and is famous name. And I heard that. I went I think once I went there, and everybody was so nice, and I saw their work. And I want to do more work with him in future.
As I said, this is such a privilege to be part of this film, and a privilege to pay my respects to Guruji and Maithili Mami, truly, because they started me on this dance journey.
80 years of service in a tradition is something very, very, very great.
ஆட்டி வைப்பது ஆடுவது இப்படியெல்லாம் சில இது இருக்குங்கிறது பெரியவங்க சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. இவங்களுக்கு ஆட்டி வைக்கவும் தெரியும், ஆடவும் தெரியும்.
He himself used to dance. In music academy, I think it is in the music academy, he himself started to demonstrate some items. A wonderful demonstration.
हरे कृष्ण जी उनके बेटे हैं, अद्भुत चमत्कारिक उनकी थिंकिंग है. वो उनको क्या है कि पुरानी ट्रेडिशन को रख के और नया ये नहीं कहूँगा कि ट्रेडिशन को तोड़कर, नहीं. इज़ ए वंडरफुल. मैंने इनके भी साथ काम किया है.
How the parampara has been maintained till today, and young Hari Krishna is the torchbearer of that school.
Today, Rajarajeshwari School is definitely marked in red letters in the map of culture of India.
We need to remember their sacrifice and their sheer giving to perpetuate, to continue our tradition.
Though they stay some 2,000 kilometers away from here, but still their heart is longing for their roots. So they want to serve the Lord. It's not that they serve the temple, but they serve the Lord.
Vidya dadadi vinayam vinayat yati patram patratvat dhana apnodi dhanat dharmam tata sugam. That's exactly that's the philosophy that Rajarajeshwari is continuing, and Kalyana Sundaram is continuing, and his legacy with his son Hari Krishna is continuing it. I hope my blessings to Hari Krishna and my pranams to Kalyana Sundaram Pillai, who is my elder brother. I consider him as my elder brother. Absolutely very close to my heart.
Namah Shivaya.